Two, Naphesia Collar out front. Rima Christmas Kelly launches the three, and Sue Bird will take it away. Just that little change of pace when she's dribbling gets everybody to stop.
But Minnesota is doing a great job of flooding the paint.
Fouls on the inside, still 2 rebounds away from the WNBA record. Russell, little hesitation. Bird left open for 3. That's her second of the ball.
Go into Brianna Stewart. Brianna Stewart returned the favor.
Oh, yeah. Stewie keeps it alive into the hands of Clark, and here comes Bird, who fakes the pass first, then sets things up. Bird drags the foot, got it. Percent in the first half tonight. Percent has fallen a little bit now to about 48.
Well, Seattle is so hard to guard.
For Minnesota, out front, 22-year-old out of UConn. Long three, a little bit short. Stewart comes up with a rebound. That is her 8th. In 2018, Bird and Stewart, when they were WNBA champions, they combined for 31.9 points, 10 rebounds, and 9 fixed assists. They're on that pace tonight. Deep into court. Dot is with the 3, and she checks in with 18 in the ballgame.